Hi, welcome to this virtual surveyor tutorial video where I will demonstrate to you how you can capture topographic features on this road. The terrain you're looking at has been cleaned earlier on. Recall that I captured the banks, ditches, and roadsides by tracing the brake lines. Then I created a nice clean triangular model from that topographic survey. When you turn on the slope color map, you'll see that all noise is gone and that the terrain is nicely aligned with the triangulation. I'm ready now to capture additional topographic features like the location of these lantern poles and the drains. I create a new layer that I will call lanterns. I enable the point drawing mode and set the prefix to lantern. Then I create a point at the foot of this lantern. I move on to the next lantern and click here. And click, and so on. Then I will map the drains. I create a layer which I call Drains and enable the polyline drawing mode. I also change the color to light blue. And I'm going to start on this side. I zoom in and click at this side of the terrain. You see that you snap on the previous drawn brake lines, and when the vertex is not on the good position, you can press Ctrl to disable snapping temporarily. Double-click here to complete that line. Then I complete the other side as well. And now you'll see one of the great features of Virtual Surveyor. In the original model, this ditch and drain was obscured by this pile of lumber. But I was able to reconstruct the original topography by tracing the lines through this heap. So in this way, I got this ditch here again, and I can create the drain. Click here, 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 going down, click here, and double-click here to complete. This side here, 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 down, double-click to complete. And in this way, I continue to map all the other drains. Then I will place some reference points along the side. I create a layer, Reference. I enable the point drawing mode, and I change the symbol to the rotated cross, and I also change the color. I set a reference point here, here, here. I will enable the annotation and extract the elevation from the terrain, which will be displayed next to each point. In this way, I complete my entire topographic survey along this motorway. I'm ready now to export my survey to a CAD file. To do that, I set the format to AutoCAD. I click Export Survey and select the layers I want to export. I specify a file name. I call this file Road Survey and click Export. When the export is complete, I start a CAD program and I open the file that I just exported. I center to the view, and you'll see that I have all the layers available here: banks, ditch bed, ditches, drains, lanterns, references, and so on. All nicely aligned to the clean topography that I've created earlier on. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that it was useful. And as always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us on support.virtualsurveyor.com.